MCSG video. So today we're playing some more MCSG. So yeah, first of all, just to tell you guys, I am actually playing on Valorant. That wasn't what I was gonna say, but I forgot it. So hooray! So actually, if you remember, I have full iron in 2 minutes. I actually killed somebody who had full iron. So that's pretty hype. Pretty hype. So I'm actually taking them out of that, so I can get like kills. And as soon as I get them, have everything here. Nope, but hopefully. Let's check. You're not working? I don't even know. But whatever. What the F? This isn't yeah, I actually have a better route in this map, surprisingly. So, don't want to show people away. Now I get better stuff out of these churches, companion or something. Surprisingly not, but I'm actually pretty stacked. So, 4 people already. Got deathmatch. So, this is a pretty quick game. Cannot really. Hopefully I can get a clean up. Where's this guy? Oh I think they're teaming. Nope, they're not teaming. I'm gonna go in for this clean up here. Go. So yeah, I hope you guys actually enjoyed. Oh no, shoot! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of MCSG. So yeah, this guy thinks I'm hacking when I'm not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. So welcome. Oh my god, what is going on? So yeah, the guy thinks I'm hacking, but I don't hack at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of MCSG. So make sure to look out for more. So yeah, peace.